Hey friends, if you wish to change the bitrate in OBS Studio, the video bitrate, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for Open OBS. Okay, click on File and then select Settings. Now go to the Output tab and you'll find the video bitrate here. You can change it directly. Okay, so let us say I wish to change it to 2600. That's it. Click on Apply and then on OK. This is how easily you can change the bitrate, and the bitrate in this case is the video bitrate. If you have to change some audio settings in conjunction with it, you can obviously do that, but this doesn't actually mean the bitrate for the audio. Okay, so you can change a few of the options here. Okay, by changing the decay rate and changing it to true peak, which will require higher CPU usage. This is what you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.